What is popping, everybody? This is Kev the Barber with another classic, and you're sitting at the barber's table about to get some heat in 3, 2, 1. There we go. Somebody told me I fell off, so I said, ooh, I needed that. This is a fade, a high top fade. I was told in the last video I was a bit monotone, for one, and two, the music was too loud. So you let me know and I improved. So today we're just gonna be doing a high top fade. They also told me that I was doing fades the video too fast. I'm listening to you guys and changing as I go. Just to show you a little bit what it looks like, I pulled it back a bit so it's not fully bald. It's not fully creating a harsh line, so I can easily take it out. Now, for those who read titles fairly well, this is the one line fade technique. Now, what this fade technique is going to do is allow your fades to go a lot faster. I definitely think you should adopt this. This is one that advanced barbers use. The problem with it, though, is it's very difficult if you don't know what you're doing. This is all without lines, only one. Now I'm using my two clothes, sliding it up the side of the head, maintaining a square shape, and starting shaping up the high top all before I shape the high top. Pick it out again just for refinement. It's very important that you do this part so that when they go home, take a shower, and pick it out themselves, it's still nice and clean. Now check the placement of this 1.5 guard. I'm going literally right in between the hair on the side of the head and the hair on the top. Not going straight up like I did with the two, but making sure that I'm blending. Now I'm going right below that with my one guard. This is actually one of the harder ways to fade. You have to use your ears, you have to use your eyes, and you have to be accurate with your placement. I definitely encourage you guys to study this one because this is how you get your fades the fastest. If you're capable of doing this, you're capable of not putting in lines, then you are making it a lot easier for yourself in the long run. Take notice how I'm going from open blades and going down to closing the lever, and I'm flicking out. It's like when you're cutting using this method, you can't really go in and dig deep. You want to flick. Now, it's no secret that half guard from Wahl, the plastic one, sucks. So I suggest you get the premium guard. Check the link in the description for everything that I use in this video. Like I said, you have to listen to the hair. Here, I'm just feeling it out. An open half guard is the same thing as a one. So it seems like I'm going a bit high here, but I'm not. I'm just kind of seeing where it kind of nips a bit, where I hear a little something to feel out where the fade is. And then after I feel that, I go halfway, which I am doing right now, and go down. Now I'm closing it, and I'm just making some space for myself for when I take out the no guard, when I take that off and fade it. It's very important that with fades you need to keep the distance, keep the space, and that is the trick. Flicking. That's the name of the game. You feel me? Every time I take out a new guard, I am feeling out, and the best way to feel out is to flick, just like that. You get to see where that part of the fade should be by going where you start hearing some hair, and that's where you start. If you look right there, there's like a little bit of weight that I'm trying to take out right there. Honestly, you can take the no guard and fade up into the longer hairs if you just turn the clipper. That's what I'm doing here, and you can see it lightening out. And notice my comb is not going anywhere. I continue to knock out hair, Now I'm just gonna going close as I go down, and that's how I take out the line. Now I know shaping a high top can be a little nerve-wracking. You just want to hold the blade at the same exact angle that the hair is already doing. You already gave yourself the shape with the 2. That's all you did. You did it with the 2 already. Now just follow it. If you have trouble with symmetry, always start your lineup in the middle, go to one side, go to the bigger side, the side that leans up the most, and then bring up the other side to match it. Keep using your mirrors. Oh, the good old controversial fibers. I just spray a bit of this just to make it look natural, and then I clean it up after. Now, usually I would go in with a razor to clean this up, but first use a towel because it saves so much time and prevents buildup around the hairline, keeping it looking very natural. Pulling out all the stops today. When you want to shave the bottom off, you make sure you saturate it from roots to ends so that this is an easy shave. Now, I should have used my trimmers first. It would have made this a lot easier. I had to start fading a little bit with the blade and then take out my trimmers. I should have pushed it down, give me a little more space. I advise if you do this to take out your trimmers, push it down. Like I said, the distance is very important. It made this thing a lot harder on myself than I needed it to be. Let me know what you guys think about the speed, timing, and explanation of this video. Like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoyed it. Thanks for everything. I'm going to be uploading more frequently. Let me know what you guys think about the vlog as well. Every Sunday that will be dropping at 1 p.m. where I go to school, go to cosmetology school, and explain to you guys what is happening during my days. Love you guys. Thanks for the support. See you in the next one.